Hey everyone, my name is Johan Stein, and today I would like to do a short video on what is robotic process automation, a term that's often confused with artificial intelligence and the like. So let me start with giving you a bit of a definition. RPA is a method of automating business processes using software robots that act like digital employees and interact with digital systems and software in the same way that humans do. RPA bots, like humans, can perform a wide range of tasks such as reading text on a screen, pressing the correct keys on a keyboard, navigating a system, and identifying and extracting data. I have often wondered why the word bot or robot is used, because there's not really a bot. When we think of a bot, we think of what we see on the screen here now, a physical device, a robot. But essentially, these are software bots. So in the RPA world, we talk about bots, which is essentially software algorithms, code that we write to automate business tasks. What is the difference between artificial intelligence and robotic process automation? The easiest way for me to explain it is that RPA is like a servant. It does what you tell it to do. You program it to automate typical back office tasks, repetitive tasks, but it doesn't learn, it doesn't make decisions. We're in the world of AI or machine learning. Here we talk more about learning and pattern recognition and so forth. So RPA is in a way dumb technology, if I may use that word, and it's definitely not the same as AI, but the two worlds are definitely converging more and more at the moment. So what is RPA typically used for these days? I've already alluded to it. Your typical back office repetitive admin tasks. A request for quote comes in from a customer. You have to send it off to somebody. They have to produce the quote. It has to be approved. It has to be sent back to you. You have to send it to the client. There are so many repetitive tasks in our work that we do these days. And those are typically the tasks that can be automated. It doesn't need a lot of thinking, a lot of reasoning. It doesn't need a lot of intelligence necessarily. It's just typical administrative tasks. And that is at the moment where RPA technology is playing a huge role. So when we talk about the future of RPA, it's in a very exciting world. We're already talking about words like, or terms like hyper automation or intelligent automation, where the worlds of artificial intelligence and machine learning are converging with robotic process automation, where there's more autonomy involved. In other words, humans are not always in the loop. Based on the processes that we need to perform, we can recognize pattern or the technology can. It can learn from it, and it can make certain decisions based on certain parameters without human beings. So remember this, robotic process automation is mostly focused on repetitive back office kind of admin tasks. It is currently not necessarily very smart, although the technology is rapidly changing to becoming a smart technology when it comes to process automation.